Welcome to another video tutorial by Fluvid. In this video, we will learn how to create folders inside the Fluvid dashboard and how you can add videos to those folders to categorize them further. So you can create as many folders inside the Fluvid dashboard. So let's see how it's done. So first of all, let's log in into the dashboard. So here we go. So here we are. Now, these are the videos created using the Fluvid Chrome extension. So whenever we create a video, all the videos come in the videos section. You can see the site. Now you can see this option folders. So as of now, you can see no folder found. So how to create a folder? You can see this option, create a new folder. So just click here. And now let us assume you are a web development instructor and you are teaching people how to use, how to develop websites using PHP, using WordPress. So let's just assume, let's create a folder by the name WordPress. So yes, create. So you can see the folder has been created. Now you can see this option, privacy setting. So you can change it. You can keep it private, you can keep it public or a limited access, invite people. There is a link and you can add a password. It means password protected. So let's just keep it public as of now and apply changes. Perfect. It has been done. So to add videos into these folders, simply click on these three dots. So yes, you can see this option, move, and move to this folder WordPress. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So we can see the video is missing out from here, but it has been added to the folder. Let's just check it out. So this video has been added into this folder and we can create another folder inside this, just like category, subcategory. And why to categorize the videos? Now suppose if you are a YouTuber, you categorize your videos into playlists. If you are a blogger, you add categories to your website. So just like creating videos, you can categorize your videos into folders. So this is how it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.